To the right of the chat box, and taking up the majority of the bottom of the screen, is the participant area. This shows where users are logged in and their status. On the left are the usernames and the connection status, which here you can see my name, and my connection status has 3 bars and is the highest connection status. When talking, the speaker's name will appear on the top of the list, but right now, since I'm the only one in the room, I am the default at the top. To the right of the name are 5 columns. The first shows either a check or an X, which can be chosen here below with a check or an X. Next to that is a hand symbol, which can also be raised below. And the first person to raise their hand will get a 1 next to under their hand, and the next person will get a 2, and so on and so forth. The third column is for emoticons, which can be found at the drop-down menu below and will be gone over at the end of this segment. Next to that, there are sections in gray, and these sections will show if the user is currently talking on the webcam or has text chat enabled. The plus icons here show that these options are enabled for the user, and the moderator of the room is able to select who can have these options enabled or disabled. And if the options are disabled, there will be a minus sign here instead of a plus sign. Here, as I said before, you can do check, X, raise your hand, and here are the options for emoticons. We have, starting up top here, away, approve, disapprove, surprise, confused, clap, laugh, and faster and or slower. If I select one of these, such as approve, I'm able to use this one, which clears my emoticon, as you could tell there. There's also the pulse icon, which shows the amount of people in the room, how many people have selected yes or no, how many people have their hands up, if anyone's away, and then it shows how many of the emoticons that I just went over are selected by the main group. Following this, I will discuss the actions menu, which is right here. And that wraps it up for the participation area.